Hey guys, Sandy here, and I wanted to do a Kill-A-Kit and layout share for my February Citrus Twist kit. Now, this is the kit that I discovered. I really was not a fan of the Maggie Holmes Flourish collection, but I want to show you what I did and what I have left over because surprisingly I used a lot of it. So I did this layout. Now, I can't show you this because this is an email, but so that's covered up. But I just went ahead and added some bits and also some bits from my stash. So that's one. The second one is this one, which is Yeah They Do, and this is on my channel, so that's two. This is also on my channel. Did my own background, that's three. I believe this one was on my channel as well. Here's four. I did this one to document the start of an overnight trip to Vegas. This is Dear Lizzie Saturday. The rest came in the kit, so that's five. I also have this one. This one is on my channel. That's six. I did some mixed media over the top. We have this one, which is also on my channel. That is seven. This is something to just go with it. So I did use stuff from the kit and this as well. So, I mean, it's a page. We're going to go 8, 9. And then this one as well. This is some goofiness. Oops, my family had come into the scrap room and messed around with some stickles. So what is this? 10. So 10 pages. And let me get that out of there. And then here is what I have left. So I have the gold letter stickers or thickers, and this is Together. I have a good amount of these left. From the stickers, I have a lot of the gold tile stickers left, a lot of the cream tile stickers left. I used a good hunk of these stickers though. I also used every single one of the pink fresh stickers, so yay, that was exciting. Here's what I have left of the cut apart sheet. Oh. Those are just little notes that I keep in my album to know what I'm doing. I have one button left. These are cut-offs from pattern papers that I have left. I have a tag and Steve left. These two I'm specifically keeping to the side because I'm documenting something in Walt Disney World because my kids named every animal we saw. And then here's what I have left of the die cut kit. I have this piece that I cut off, this tag, some flowers, some lemons, the color by number, the deer, a bird, another bird, and then these things, a couple of the vellum sheets still. So that's what I have left. Now, as I said, I discovered I really was not a fan of this line, and that's okay, because there are other Maggie Holmes things that I really enjoy. But if anybody would like to have the leftover of these die cuts, drop me a comment down below, and if I have multiple ones that want it, I'll just do random.org. I'll leave this up until Friday. Just let me know and I'll send you these Flourish die cuts. Thanks so much for watching. My March kit unboxing's already up. Love that one. And I will see you guys soon.